This is your essential first step towards freedom on the road, brought to you by Driving with Toby, where theory meets practice. I'm Toby, and in this episode of Theory Unlocked, we're clearing the admin pathway. We're covering the theory test kit, what the test is, what you need to pass, and the absolute one document you must bring with you. Conquering this first episode will mean you've already won the battle against confusion and are ready to book your test with confidence. The two-part challenge. Let's demystify the structure. The theory test is one sitting, but two distinct tests. You have to pass both parts at the same time to get your certificate. Part 1 is the multiple choice questions. This is the knowledge check. You get 50 questions covering everything in this podcast series, from speed limits to signals. You need to score 43 out of 50 to pass this section. Part 2 is the hazard perception. This is the real-world check. You watch 14 short video clips of everyday driving situations. You're scored on how quickly you spot a developing hazard. You need to score 44 out of 75 to pass. So why two tests? Well, this is where the theory meets the practice. The DVSA needs proof you know the rules. This is the multiple choice questions. And that your eyes are spotting danger, but hazard perception. Knowing these two distinct targets, 43 out of 50 and 44 out of 75, immediately removes the mystery and tells you how to focus your revision. Logistics and the essential document. First, booking and price. You must book through the official government DVSA website only. Avoid third-party sites that charge extra and might be misleading. The current official price is published on the government site. Don't pay more than that. Now, the absolute one thing you must bring to the test centre. This is the most crucial part of test administration. You must bring your photocard provisional driving licence. If you forget this, or if it's damaged and unreadable, the staff will just turn you away and you'll lose your fee. The penalty for forgetting this essential document is an instant fail. Make sure you check your licence the night before so you're 100% prepared. You prevent that massive disappointment before you even sit down. Okay, time to quickly test your knowledge on the basics. What is the minimum score required to pass the multiple choice section of the theory test? Remember, the total is 50 questions and you get 7 lives. So you must score 43 out of the 50 because the pass mark is 43. Okay, one more. True or false? A passport is an acceptable ID if you forget your provisional driving licence. The answer is false. Only the photocard provisional driving licence is acceptable ID for the theory test. No exceptions. Okay, so you've conquered the admin. You know the structure, you know the score, and you know what to bring. This episode was brought to you by Driving with Toby, where theory meets practice. If you would like some more useful resources to help you become a safe driver for life, then head to our website www.drivingwithtoby.co.uk.